What if I told you that you could build a Chrome extension used by millions of people without writing code and potentially create a product that earns money every single month? Today I am going to build a Chrome extension that can turn any website into dark mode, change fonts across the website, and save settings for each website individually. The crazy part, we are building everything with AI. So even if you have never written a single line of code in your life, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own Chrome extension. And stick around until the end because I am giving this complete extension to 10 people for just $40 each. Let's get started. Before we build anything, let's see why this idea is worth paying attention to. So let's go to the Chrome Web Store and search for dark mode. If we look at some of the most popular dark mode extensions, you will notice something interesting. Million users. Some extensions have tens of millions of installs. People spend hours online every day. And many prefer dark mode because it's easier on the eyes, especially at night. Now let's ask AI something interesting. How much does a successful dark mode extension potentially earn? Based on available estimates and subscription models used by similar products, some popular extensions are believed to generate significant monthly revenue, about $10,000 per month. Now, I am not saying you will build this extension and become rich overnight, but what this proves is simple. A small software tool solves real problem, and real problem create business opportunities. So let's build one. First, I am creating a folder called Dark Mode Any Website. Let's create it. After that, I will open inside in VS Code. I will open that folder. Our folder is now opened. Let's cut the some cluttery things. Now here's where AI becomes our developer. Instead of manually creating files, I will ask AI to create the basic file structure for a Chrome extension including manifest file, pop-up styles and scripts. Let's send that. And within seconds, AI generates the entire foundation of our project. This alone saves beginners hours of research. Okay, our basic files are generated successfully. Now let's build the core features. I'm going to tell AI, you are a senior Chrome extension developer, build a Chrome extension that convert any website into dark mode using CSS injection and DOM manipulation. And let's send it. Now AI is doing his work. Notice what's happening. Instead of searching Stack Overflow for hours, instead of reading documentation all day, we are using AI as our senior developer. AI is doing his work. He is creating pop-up.css and adding some codes. Let's check. AI has perfectly did his work. Let's wait some moment. Let's fast forward these steps. And there we go. The code is ready. Now let's test it. I will open Chrome and go to extension, and then I will enable developer mode option from here. After that, I have seen an option like I am seeing a load unpacked. I will click here and I will select our folder dark mode any website. After selecting here, we are seeing an error called could not load icons. So I will take its a screenshot and give to our AI. And here I have pasted that error photo, and I will tell AI to solve this error and hit send. Now AI is doing its work. After some time, our issue will be solved. It's asking for allow. I will click allow. Let's click on retry. And here our extension is working perfectly. So let's test our extension on Wikipedia. Here we can see it's working fine, but it has some issue. Let's solve this issue. I have taken a screenshot and I will paste here. I will tell AI that our extension is not working perfectly. It's only making dark mode in between and in between and having some issue. See image, and I will click hit button and I will click send. After that, AI will analyze the issue and solve the problem. Now AI is doing its work. Let's fast forward the video. Now AI has solved the issue. Let's reload the extension. And I will click refresh icon. After that, I will go on Wikipedia and reload the website. Now AI has created some more issues. Let's solve this issue fastly. I will fast forward the video. Okay, now AI did his work. Let's test again. I will reload the extension from downloads dark mode any website. I will click reload and then refresh the website. And after that, there is nothing happen. Okay, let's again tell. Issue still did not solved. Okay, now AI did his work. Before testing, I would like to change our extension name. So let's tell the AI. Change the extension name to Mike's dark mode and also change its UI designing. Okay, now AI has did his work. Let's test our extension. So I will go again on extension and load unpacked. After that I will select dark mode in a website. Now extension has been loaded. Let's go again on Wikipedia and refresh it. Now extension is working perfectly. We can see that it's converted the Wikipedia website into fully dark mode. Dark mode is useful, but let's make this extension more powerful. What if user could completely change the typography on any website? This can improve readability and personalization. So let's go back to AI and give a prompt. Add a font changer feature with multiple font options. When user select a font, apply it to the entire website and click send. Let's see what AI creates. Okay, and it's done. Now I will reload the extension. We'll go on extension and I will reload the extension and refresh the Wikipedia site. I will open the pop-up. From here, I will select our font. I will select this font. Oh, actually our extension is working perfectly. Let's try another font. I selected this font. Wow, the entire website updated instantly. This is exactly how real software product evolve. You start with one feature, then continue adding value. Let's quickly recap what we have built. Our extension can turn any website into dark mode, change fonts instantly, save preferences, enable or disable features on specific websites, work directly inside Chrome. And we have built everything with AI. No expensive developer, no coding bootcamp, no computer science degree, just prompts and execution. If you want this complete extension without building it yourself, I am giving it to only 10 people. The price is $40. Once all 10 spots are gone, I will close the offer. If you are interested, message me on Telegram. The link is in description. Also comment below what should be built next. A SaaS, a mobile app, a Chrome extension business, an AI tool. Drop your ideas below. The highest comment likes will be our next video. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.